What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is a little bit different. I actually got to go to the Extreme experience where you get to drive a selected supercar of your choice. In this case, it was around the Charlotte Motor Speedway for 4 laps. The cars you get to choose between are a C8 Corvette, a GT500 Mustang, a GT3RS, a GT4 Cayman, a Lamborghini Huracan, a Ferrari 488, or an Audi R8 V10 Performance. I decided to go with the GT3RS for obvious reasons. My opinion, that is the best driver's car out of all of these, but you can obviously decide whichever you want to drive around the track for 4 laps is completely up to you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and play all of the footage that I captured on my phone, and then in the end of the video, I'll recap and kind of talk about my overall experience with the Extreme experience. Enjoy. Three Musketeers.
Charger 05.
Okay, cool. Up front?
05.
Awesome. 05 Charger.
This way if you go.
Yeah, man. Hey, just get in that Rari. Just take that real quick. Here's the GT500. Someone. GT4. Pretty.
Alright, that's all it's you go in front of that.
Yeah, whatever, dude. Get it. You're gonna take a hot lap. So we're doing a hot lap?
We'll be doing 4 hot laps. Yeah.
Nice.
You guys driving today?
Yeah. You know it.
What cars you guys driving?
2 GT3RSs and an Huracan? Yep. You took the Huracan?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I started with Formula 2000 cars. Oh, cool. And now I have a Formula Mazda. So if you know of Formula 1, it's like a Formula 4 car. Yeah. The tires compress more to the road surface. And as we turn into the green cone here, as you crest the hill, you lose grip as that weight shifts upwards, right? Now this is another bank turn.
Just a fun little track.
It's not too bad. Yeah, I like it. I think it works well.
Elevation changes. Damn, this is a swooping turn.
Yeah. And now this next right.
Have fun, be safe. Thank you, man.
Okay, we're rolling out slowly, and we can see the truck ahead, right? And then we can see the cones. Look for the orange cone in the end. Straight line to the orange cone. When we have to adjust the speed before you turn in. So speed is good, turn in. After the green, squeeze the throttle, look for the orange cone. Set the car on the outside, touch the brake, good enough. Turn in, nice and tight. Patient, squeeze the power. Look for the last orange cone. Going. Touching the brake. Have to good. Turn in. Look for the orange cone. All the way to the left side. Touch the brake. Maintain the speed. Nice and smooth and steady. Stay to the left. It's a long S turn. Look for the green on the inside. Green cone on the inside. You see it? Squeeze the gas a little bit. Just touch the brake. Good enough. Passing the green on my side. And squeeze the throttle. Look for the Sanogo sign. Straight ahead. Sanogo sign. Orange cone at the end. Then we have to finish the braking. Good enough. Maintain the speed. Stay on the inside. Right? Stay patient. Transition to the left. And then squeeze the throttle. Go for the orange cone at the end. Left side. Orange cone. Touch the brake. Turn in. Go for the orange cone on the outside. Touch the brake. Turn in. And squeeze the throttle. More, nice. Good enough, turn in. Go for the orange to the left. Touch the brake, turn in. Patient. In the middle. Look for the green on the inside. Follow him, pass the lamp up. Maintain the speed is good. Stay on my side. Stay. Transition to the left. And then squeeze the power. More and more. Look for the orange. That's good enough. Turn from the green to the orange. Set the car outside. Just touch the brake. Good enough. Turn harder. Squeeze the gas more and more. Okay. Good enough. For the orange car. Straight line. Orange car. Touch the brake. Good enough. Maintain. A little more gas. More. Speed is good. For the green car. Squeeze the gas again. The brake, good enough. Turn harder. After green, squeeze the gas. The orange cone. Good enough. Patient. Squeeze the throttle gently. A little more. Look for the orange cone at the end. Speed is good. Turn in. For the orange. Touch the brake. Good enough. Turn harder. Squeeze the gas more and more. Good enough. Orange cone. Touch the brake. Good enough. Awesome. Nice and smooth. Very smooth driving. Safe. Just follow these guys.
All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed some of this footage from the Extreme experience. Overall, it was a pretty cool experience. I will say personally, I wish I had a little bit more time with the car. You only get 4 laps, and really you just spend 2 or 3 laps learning the track and getting comfortable with the car. So by the time you're actually ready to push the car a little bit further, you only get like 1 lap before it's time to turn off. That would really be my only critique about the entire experience. Overall, the rest of it was pretty cool. They give you a class that talks a little bit about track driving. I have very little experience being on any track with any of my cars, so it was nice to have an instructor with you and brush up on skills, talk a little bit more about techniques and whatnot. They have a lot of different options when it comes to the actual packages that you can get. We went for the basic one where we just picked 1 car and were able to drive it on the track for 4 laps. We also did a few laps beforehand in a Hellcat with one of the experienced drivers just to kind of learn the track as much as possible and really show how to like properly drive the track. Overall, a really cool experience. I'd say if anything, I just wish I had a little more time to stay on the track. I think for what you pay, it should be double the amount of laps that you actually get. 4 laps really isn't quite enough. I think it should at least be 8, maybe 10 laps. But at the same time, they have a lot of people that they're trying to get through and try out all of these different cars. So they do have to keep things moving, which is understandable. Overall, a pretty cool experience. They travel to a bunch of different cities with this, and I'll leave all their information down below. If you're interested in checking out their different packages, it's thextremexperience.com. But that's all I got for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.